Hi there, this is Kim. Today I'm going to show you how I line up my sashing strips and the seams on the quilt blocks for each row. So after the quilt blocks and vertical sashing strips are sewn together, the horizontal strip gets sewn on to that row. So before I sew the sashing strip, the horizontal sashing strip to the next row, I place the pins wherever there is a seam from that row that I have going on. This helps me to line up the seams for the next row of blocks that I did. So as you can see, I'm matching up the seams from the blocks and where I marked the vertical sashing strips, and I just placed the pin right into the seam so that I can make sure that the vertical sashing strips from each row will line up just right. Then it's time to take it to the sewing machine and sew your sashing strips to the next row. Just make sure that the pins get removed before the sewing machine needle hits it. I have in the past broken many needles because I think that I could just sew straight through and not take the pins out. So just make sure you take it out so that your machine won't get messed up. Once you're done sewing the horizontal sashing strips to each row of the quilt top, just make sure to press the sashing strip away from that row of quilt so that your seams are not going to be bulky and it'll look nice and neat. So as you can see here, all of my seams match up from the vertical strips to the seams on each quilt block. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this tutorial will help you to line up your sashings. You can see more photos of this quilt on my blog. The link is below. See you next time.